What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube login on your PC or laptop. So if you're currently experiencing this on YouTube while using your PC, then guys, I'm going to show you what you need to do to fix it. And I wouldn't say that it is going to fix it in all cases, but I would say in the majority of cases this is what you need to do to fix it, because it was also recommended by YouTube that you're currently working on fixing these issues. And if you're currently using a specific extension that I'm about to share with you, then this is what you need to do to remove it in order to fix the login for YouTube. So what you want to do, guys, once you're on your browser, I'm currently using Google Chrome, so you can do the similar steps to find this in your current browser. Just simply go ahead and go to your extensions. In my case, I can do this on the upper right hand side by clicking extensions from here, or I can click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go down to where it says extensions and click in manage extensions. Now, once you're under the extensions, guys, you want to check to see if you have any kind of ad block extension. If you do, disable them and remove them. You can try to disable it as first if you don't want to remove it, but I recommend that you remove them. So go ahead and disable them and remove them. Once you remove them, go ahead and refresh the YouTube website and try again. And that's all that you need to do, guys, to fix the issue. I really hope this solution helps you, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments if you're still experiencing this issue, and I'll be more than happy to share additional ways that you can take to fix this issue. With that said, guys, go ahead, remove all of those ad blocks or any similar ad block extensions that you have on your browser and try again to use YouTube. Wish you the best of luck, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.